Replacing the master cylinder on a 2013 Chevy Malibu. Carlin Motor Brakes and Oil Change will come to you. Changing front and rear brakes on a 2017 Land Rover HSE Sport. Carlin Motor Brakes and Oil Change will come to you. Changing oil on this Chevy Silverado 3500. Carlin Motor Brakes and Oil Change. Working on a 2012 Dodge Chrysler and working on a 2006 Mustang GT. We're doing shocks, bushings, and control arms. Oil change on this Dodge right here. Carlin Motor Brakes and Oil Change. Changing the oil on a Beetle. Punch buggy, no punch back. Carlin Motor Brakes and Oil Change, we come to you. Ave Maria Weighing Center. Changing oil on this 2008 H2. Carlin Motor Brakes and Oil Change will come to you. Workflow.